Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I am going to cover the exact steps that will help you animate 2D vector characters like Iman Gadzhi. Iman's editors usually create this in After Effects and Premiere Pro, but I will teach you how you can do the same in Capcut PC. Somewhere in the video I have also included a small gift for you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Adding the background. I am just going to go to a free site like freepik.com and get a background of a street like this. Simply download it and drag the image to the timeline. Keep the ratio as 16:9. I just expand it so that it fills the canvas. Step 2. Adding the character. Make sure that you are using a vector image so that we can easily export it to the software such as Photopea. Okay, we are going to use this one. I'm just going to download it. Download it in the AI file type. Once you download it, go to this website called Photopea. It's a free website which is an alternative for Photoshop. Over here, go to Files, Open and open your project. Next, we need to just keep this person and remove rest of them. In order to do that, we'll first need to see how it is currently getting grouped. Just play around with it. This one is for the background. Okay, this is our character. You can remove these two. Next, in this, okay, that's his head, that's his body. We need to remove his hand and the stop sign. We'll go deeper in this group. Okay, that's it. So this is what we require. So now again go to File, Export as and PNG. And we can just simply save it. Now let's hide the remaining things. While we have to export this, don't keep it like this over here. Instead, select this and bring it to the middle. I will tell you the reason for this later on. Click on File, Put as PNG. And save this. Now in Capcut, let's drag the person as well as his hand to the timeline. Simply drag the person and then the hand. Now select both the clips, zoom out and then reduce the size such that it fits the scenario perfectly. I feel something like this looks good. I don't want anything in his background, so I'm just simply going to swap this image. For swapping it, click on this mirror. Step 3. Animating the 2D character. Zoom in on the character. Click on the arm. Over here, let's put it on layer 1. Now take the player to the start. In position and size, add a keyframe. Take it 30 keyframes to the right. For doing that, press Shift plus right key 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Add a keyframe over here. And then in rotation, increase this to around 10. Next, again take this 30 keyframes to the right. 1, 2, 3. Add another keyframe. Keep it -6. Now instead of adding a keyframe again, we can simply copy the last one by pressing Ctrl plus C. Take the player to the right and simply press Ctrl plus V. Let's see if this is happening too fast and then we can adjust it accordingly. This looks good to me. In order to make this super smooth, let's add some keyframe animation. For that, click on the clip, right click and show keyframe animation. You can also use the shortcut Alt plus K. Click on rotate. Over here, click on the keyframe. You can use the graph, but for now, I'm just going to simply use auto curve. Do the same thing over here. Click on auto curve and same over here. Again, press on Alt plus K. This will close the animation. If you see this from the start now, you can see that the hand is moving very smoothly. I'm just going to simply copy this and again paste it over here. Copy this and again paste it at the end of the playhead. Okay, this looks good. So this takes care of our character animation. So now let's work on the car to complete the entire scene. For the car, I'm again going to come to FreePik. I like this image. Simply go on the image, click on download. For here, just download the AI file type. Go to File, Open and open the file. Next, similar to how we had done for the character, let's remove the unwanted cars. So in our car, we are going to keep the body separate and the wheels separate, so that in our scene the wheels can be moving. Let's remove the shadow as well. We can add it separately. Let's see where we have the tires. Okay, this is one tire, this is the next tire. Okay, this is our car chassis. Go to File and export it as a PNG. Next, unhide the tires and hide the rest. Similar to how we had done it for the character. In fact, we just need one wheel. So I'm going to hide the other one. and bring this wheel to the center. Next go to the group. Next go to file and export it as PNG. Now let's add the chassis as well as the tires to the timeline. Start with the vehicle, increase the size. Let's add the wheels. Increase the size such that it fits the space perfectly. Let's zoom in to see if it is fitting perfectly or not. Okay, this looks good. Now let's take a copy of this. For taking a copy, press on Alt and then drag this up. Click on that clip and then take it to the right. And then place it perfectly in the gap. If you now play around with the rotate, you can see that the wheel is rotating perfectly in its axis. The same will happen with this wheel. Take the player to the start. Add a keyframe in position and size. Take the player to the end. Add a keyframe, and in rotation, let's keep it at 250. We might need to make the changes later. Now let's add the same keyframes to this tire. Add a keyframe. Go to the end. Add another keyframe. We have kept it as 250, right? So similarly over here, just put in the value 250. As you can see, both the tires are moving. But we have to make the illusion as if the car is coming from the left, and after seeing the policeman, it comes to a halt. Let's do that. Select all three of them. Do right click and create a compound clip. Take the car out of the frame. Add a keyframe in position and size. Take it to the end. Add another keyframe. And then you can bring the car in the frame. If this is happening super slow, we might need to make some changes. Ideally, it should come to a halt over here. So again, click over here and undo compound clip, and let's keep the keyframe over here. Same thing. Let's keep the keyframe over here. Let's see if both of them are in line. Okay, let's put both of them in line. Okay, it will come to a halt over here. So now select all three of them. Do right click and create a compound clip. Take the car out of the scene. Take the player to the start. Add a keyframe in position and size. Take it somewhere over here. And then bring the car in the frame. So let's do one thing. Let's add keyframe animations over here. Right click, show keyframe animation. Expand the X scale. In graphs, let's add ease out 3. So this is giving us a perfect animation as if the car is coming in speed and then coming to a halt. Okay, this looks super awesome. Let's see the final result once. Thank you guys for watching the video. As promised, as a gift, I am giving you access to 100 plus vector images which you can use across your projects. If you know this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how to edit like pro YouTubers, make sure to check this playlist. And I will catch you in the next video.